is, I am a lean forward generation. I'm always seeking something. मैं हमेशा खोज कर रहा होता हूँ. I'm googling, and there are people who are lean back. My dad, he still likes to hold his newspaper and read it. He doesn't have an iPad. He doesn't want an iPad. But point is, we are almost, we are a lean forward generation. So when we are talking of audiences, really, we are a lean forward generation. और आप गेस करना चाहेंगे हिंदुस्तान से कितना वीडियो कंटेंट एक महीने में कंज्यूम होता है? गेस करिए कितना होता है, कितने पेज व्यूज होते हैं? Any guesses from? Any guesses from? I mean, there's no money to be paid for a right or wrong. But in May, I haven't seen since June, July, August, it was 2.7 billion page views in May. Of course, a lot of that was YouTube content, but non-YouTube content. In May, it was 2.7 billion page views. So, video बहुत important होने वाला है और है. और कल का जो न्यूज़ नेटवर्क है वो डिजिटल है. सो चाहे एक IBNlive.com है या और ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म है, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सबसे बड़ी बात यहाँ बिजनेस मॉडल की बात हो रही है. एक मैं सेमिनार पे बोल रहा था और मुझसे पहले द मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग वाज स्पीकिंग, एंड लाइक सम ऑफ द स्पीकर्स ही सेड द प्रॉब्लम विद मीडिया इज इट्स बिकम अ बिजनेस. एंड आई गॉट ऑन एंड आई नो आई एम अ स्मॉल फ्राई, बट आई आस्क्ड द मिनिस्टर दैट, Mr. Minister, I understand where you're coming from, but what is not business? And why should it not be a business? The fact is, when it's not a business, you do wrong things. Because you don't protect your credibility. I mean, politics is a business for a lot of politicians. Religion is a business for a lot of godmen, or probably more. So, I mean, we have to be conscious of the environment. So, एक तो ये बात कहना चाहूँगा कि अच्छा जर्नलिज्म और फाइनेंशियल रिटर्न, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जहाँ सरस्वती का वास होगा वहाँ लक्ष्मी जी भी आ जाएंगी. And Saraswati is good content, it's responsible content, it's credibility, and Lakshmi. And जैसे राजदीप ने कहा, जिस दिन डिजिटाइजेशन होगी आप लोग चूज करेंगे कि आप कौन सा न्यूज़ चैनल देखेंगे. तो हो सकता है जो चैनल जिंगोइस्टिक ना हो, जो चैनल मिडल ऑफ द रोड हो, जो बैलेंस्ड हो, जो इन डेप्थ हो, आप उसके लिए पैसे देंगे. तो वहाँ हम जा रहे हैं. और एडवर्टाइजिंग बिजनेस की बात हुई, आपको मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि 32,000 करोड़ रुपए एडवर्टाइजिंग है. उतना ही सब्सक्रिप्शन का रेवेन्यू है, बट अभी ब्रॉडकास्टर्स को आता नहीं है. उसमें से सिर्फ आज 5% डिजिटल पे खर्च होता है, बट वो एक साल में 10% होने वाला है. अगले 6 महीने में एक भी नहीं. और अगले 5 साल में वो 25 से 30% होने वाला है. तो डिजिटल, हर चीज डिजिटल होगी. और आई लाइक टू लीव यू विद अ फ्रेज कॉल्ड फोबो और सोबो, विच इज, आप कुछ भी चीज खरीदते हैं, कार खरीदते हैं या किसी के बारे में पता करना चाहते हैं, तो आप सर्च करते हैं. यू सर्च ऑनलाइन, यू परचेज ऑफलाइन. चाहे आप कार खरीद रहे हैं, इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी खरीद रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो, बुक्स खरीद रहे हैं, यू आर कंपेयरिंग थिंग्स ऑन द वेब. नाउ वंस मिस्टर अंबानी लॉन्चेस 4G, just the media business is going to change forever. That's my view. It's because he will probably have a cheap tablet imported from Taiwan. He will have great content, and he'll give you access free. He'll make money from services. So one has to understand, while we are talking of news, the line between news and entertainment is blurring. We live stressful lives. We like entertainment. I mean, I have a friend who's very accomplished, and he reached out to me 3 months back saying, I want to be in Big Boss. I said, you're not a loser. Why would you go to a Big Boss? I know Rajdeep turned down an assignment to be on a GC channel in a dance show 2 years back because he said, that's very frivolous, right? I mean, I think that's right. Point is, I was watching Big Boss last week. I refused to leave it. I just liked it. We are voyeurs. I mean, I think lowly. So, there is lots of pressure. But news will win. जैसे आज के ज़माने में सच बोलने वाले लोग कम हैं, तो सच बोलने वालों की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. उसी तरह आज ऑनेस्ट क्रेडिबल न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं. और राजदीप इज़ हेयर, एंड I can say I know almost all the editors, almost all the media owners. I think most of them are honest people. I'd say that. They have a responsibility. I mean, we are too harsh on ourselves. I mean, look at what's happening in other domains. Yes, it's very difficult to do honest stories today. I would say that if you're ready to suffer. then you must do, and there are a lot of people who still do. I remember last year in October, I was sitting with Rajdeep, and there is this issue of, large corporates investing in media companies. That day, there was a story on KG Basin, and it was playing on CNN IBN. Fairly decently, it was not curbed, right? So, this notion, you have to first understand that who are these people who are interested in bringing down the credibility of news, media, and television. There are bureaucrats don't like it. Sir, I'm not talking about you, but most politicians definitely don't like it. Business. Right now, a broadcaster. Right, sir. Right. And I must tell you that I have had the good pleasure of knowing Mr. Sharan for a long time. When I was doing my MBA, he was doing his executive MBA, and we used to play cricket. And so he has forgotten that, but I haven't. And so I'm quite lucky to be sharing a dais with him. So I'm saying the fact is there's a lot of people, vested interest, who want to bring down the credibility of news media. News media in India is doing fairly okay. Yes, there is no free media anywhere in the world. There is a relatively free media. So let's not kid ourselves. I mean, I say that if you really want a free media, then let's be, to some extent, Rajdeep is right, that let's not be chasing television rating points. Let's do trust rating points. What is the trust you have in that medium? और मैं 4 साल पहले बाबा रामदेव ने मुझे एक सेमिनार पे बोलने के लिए बुलाया, तो उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छा टर्म कॉइन किया. उन्होंने बोला टीआरपी का मतलब है तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपतन. तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपतन. So he's actually right. So I will, here are journalists here and the students of journalism, so I'll end. I just want to say there are 5 implications. 5 ऐसे ट्रेंड हैं. इसमें लिखा है कि अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है. जब भी प्रॉब्लम होती है उसमें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है. सबसे पहली बात है कि यूनिफाइड न्यूज़ रूम्स होने वाले हैं राजदीप की कंपनी में और प्रोग्रेसिव मीडिया कंपनीज में. एक न्यूज़ रूम है और वो इट इज़ ऑल्सो डिक्टेटेड बाय इकोनॉमिक कंसर्न. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट डिक्टेटेड बाय repurposing of content and it being available in multiple screens. There is a technology reason, there is a business model reason, and so on and so forth. Second is, what will happen is journalists, as we saw, will be extinct, as we knew. Because the journalism of today has to be different. I'm not talking in terms of, being honest, credible. Of course, that's got to be there. But in terms of how it existed. I mean, Rajdeep's channel does a show called the Citizen Journalist Show. Today, journalism is and has to be participative. That means anything you do has to be viral. I'm not saying necessarily news, but when journalists are doing something, editors, they have to see what is the kind of content to be done for a digital medium. Everything you do has to be shareable. It has to have that quality of being shareable. I think that's important. I mean, some people won't say that's important. And I tell you, last week I acquired Business World magazine. It's a 32-year-old magazine. For the last 23 years, I've been a very avid reader. And the story did not break on a newspaper, but it broke at 6 p.m. in the evening on businessstandard.com. When I gave my first interview, I did not give it to ET. I gave my second interview to ET next day. I gave it to a site called firstpost.com, right? So point I'm trying to talk from my personal experience is, if you look at scandals in the US, they are not necessarily breaking on a TV screen. They're breaking on a site like tmz.com or a Huffington Post. So really, we have to stop thinking of news media in silos. ये टेलीविजन है, ये अखबार है, ये वेबसाइट है, ये सब एक ही हैं. ये कंटेंट कर रहे हैं और ब्रांड है. I think that's how Ashutosh and Rajdeep run their channel. And we talked about Indian language content. जैसे श्रवण जी ने कहा कि रीजनल पार्टीज का वर्चस्व बढ़ता जा रहा है, उनकी इंडियन लैंग्वेज न्यूज़पेपर्स आर प्रॉफिटेबल, आर द मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेसेस इन इंडिया. मैं इस साल फरवरी में एक पाकिस्तान में साउथ एशिया मीडिया समिट की और वहाँ पे किसी ने बोला न्यूज़पेपर्स आर डेड एंड आई गॉट ऑन. I told him that in India, Times of India does a turnover of 5,000 crores. It has a profit of 1,100 crores. So where are the newspapers dead? HT does a profit of 400 crores. In fact, the only profitable business model in serious media in India is newspapers. And in that, today, if you look at the Hindustan Times balance sheet, most of its profits come from Hindustan. they do not come from Hindustan Times. So जो, और मैं इसको वर्नैकुलर मीडिया नहीं बुलाना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि वर्नैकुलर की डेफिनेशन है द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द स्लेव्स. इट्स एन इंडियन, वी आर नो लॉन्गर स्लेव्स, right? Except the people who are married, but there are not too many of them here. So Indian language content web पे बढ़ेगा, जिससे चीज़ें बढ़ेंगी, जिससे कंजम्पशन ऑफ न्यूज़ मीडिया में. और एक हम यूनिक जगह पे हैं जहाँ पे सिलिकॉन वैली विच इज़ टेक्नोलॉजी, Madison Avenue which is advertising, and Hollywood which is entertainment content are actually converging. उससे भी बहुत डिसरप्शन आ रही है और आएगी. और मैं ये कहूँगा, मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है आपसे, आप सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट बैठे हैं यहाँ, एडिटर्स बैठे हैं, ओनर्स बैठे हैं और स्टूडेंट्स हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, do not be so pessimistic. We have a very good crop of journalists who look up to people like Rajdeep, Ashutosh, and would like to emulate some, or Shravanji, Ajayji, or Seema, and would like to emulate a bit of that. So it's in safe hands. Yes, there will be a different business model. In television, hopefully it will be digitization led and subscription revenues led. And in terms of websites or news, domain specific content, अगर आप एक लीगल एक्सपर्ट हैं और आपकी एक साइट है जो आपको ऐसा पॉइंट ऑफ, किसी भी डोमेन, गैजेट्स, फूड एंड वीडियो विल ड्राइव एवरीथिंग. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, whatever you do, the mindset of yesterday would not build news medium or media of future. So digital is not a distant future. It already arrived. We are all digital natives. You know, we have to do content for people who are on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, BuzzFeed. And BuzzFeed is what? You know, native advertising is basically advertorial, right? So really that's a reality, because corporate advertisers आपको एक न्यूज़ मीडियम भी समझते हैं, वो पीआर भी करना चाहते हैं, वो आपको एक एजेंसी भी समझते हैं कि आप उनको सॉल्यूशंस दो. और तीसरा, वो आपको एक यू नो, इफ आई मे से, दे ऑल्सो लुक एट यू एज ए लीड जनरेशन सेल्स एक्सटेंशन. अब पहले उनको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा वो क्या चाहते हैं, बिकॉज वी कैनॉट बी एवरीथिंग टू एवरीवन. सो रियली द फ्यूचर बिलोंग्स टू स्पेशलाइजेशन. इट बिलोंग्स टू, you know, medium agnostic content. And thank you for inviting me here, and it's a bright future, don't worry too much.